Hello and welcome to this Java course. My name is Sumaya and I'm so excited to be your instructor on this journey. Whether you are completely new to programming or looking to strengthen your Java skills, you are in the right place. This course is designed for complete beginners who want to learn how to code in Java from scratch, students who have some programming experience and want to deepen their understanding of Java, and for professionals looking to refresh or update their Java skills. No matter what is your background, you will find this course structured, practical, and engaging. Here is what you will learn in this course: the basics of Java, how to write, compile, and run Java programs, core programming concepts like variables, loops, methods, and object oriented programming, how to work with data structures, collections, and files, exception handling to write robust applications, modern Java features like lambdas, streams, and the new date and time API, multi threading and concurrency basics, connecting Java applications to databases with JDBC, building real world projects to apply your knowledge, and much more. The course is divided into clear, manageable sections. You will find video lectures explaining concepts step by step, code examples and live coding sessions, practice exercises to reinforce what you learn, quizzes to check your understanding, real life projects to help you build confidence. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently write Java programs, understand how Java applications work behind the scenes, apply Java skills to the real world projects, prepare for job interviews, or further learning in software development. So, thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to get started. Let's dive into Java and unlock your programming potential. See you in the next lecture.